When you start learning a new language, a lot of people will tell you, you shouldn't learn slang words. I say wrong. So here are 10 colloquial everyday words that you need to know if you want to understand Swedes. Snacka. This one means to talk or to chat and is super important because people use this all the time. We don't say talar du svenska? We say snackar du svenska? Do you speak Swedish? So this really is one that you need to know right off the bat. Käka. This one is also super common and refers to the movement you make with your jaw, which means käke in Swedish. Käka is to eat and käk is food. Kan vi inte käka lite? Roughly translates into, how about grabbing some food? Let me know in the comments down below if you know the more standard words for these expressions. Sno. This one means to steal, and it probably developed from the meaning to hurry up or to make sudden movements. And you can use this just like you would use to steal in Swedish. Titta! Han snor den! Look, he's stealing it! Kompis. A kompis is a friend, and I think this word is nowadays used almost to the extent that it's more common than the standard word. Let me know in the comments down below if you know it. Jag har en kompis som... I have a friend who... Then we have a total of 2 words that basically means to go away. We have sticka, which originally means to stab, sting, prick, poke someone or something. But here it means to get lost, to leave, to go away. Kom, vi sticker. Come on, let's bounce, or let's go away. Dra, which can be used in the same manner as sticka, but they both don't really need to have that connotation of to bounce, that slangy connotation. They could also just mean to leave for something. Jag drar till affären. I'm going to the store. Paxa is a fun one that means to call dibs, and I guess it's from pax or pax, which is Latin for peace. Jag paxar den här platsen. I call dibs on this seat or spot. Spänn. And this is just an uncountable word for our currency. So we have den kostar 50 spänn. It costs 50 crowns. And way back in school, if someone told you to give them 5 Swedish crowns, 5 spänn, you just went. Because the verb spänna means to tighten or to, Now, since we're talking about spänn, we might as well talk about stålar, which is a plural word that just means money. This word originates from stål, which means steel. Man får massa stålar för att jobba. You get a lot of money to work. Last but not least, we have macka. This one should not be confused with the word mack without the A at the end, which means gas station, and this one is a kind of a bonus word because it's also a colloquial or a slang word. No, macka means sandwich, and it's super common to hear, and you can use it like this. Jag äter en macka till lunch. I'm having a sandwich for lunch. And now click this video to learn even more Swedish.